राज्यों में, चाहे वो राज्य के माध्यम से होने में या रिक्रूटमेंट से हो, टीचर रिक्रूटमेंट हो, पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, इस चीज जो हो रहे आने वाले दिनों में युवाओं का भविष्य ध्यान में रखते हुए मोदी जी ने ये कदम उठाया, सख्त कदम। जितने भी आरोपी है उसके ऊपर फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के माध्यम से कार्रवाई होगा और उसका जो भी जिम्मेदार है उसके ऊपर जरूर एक्शन लिया जाएगा। फिर भी हमारे कांग्रेस नेता और कांग्रेस विपक्ष जो नहीं मानते कि हम चर्चा के लिए भी तैयार है सदन में, मगर आप चाहते हैं सदन नहीं, हम सड़क की आंदोलन करेंगे सदन में। ये लोग देख रहे, लोग जान रहे, इस तरह राजनीति करना, युवाओं को भविष्य को लेकर राजनीति करना ठीक नहीं है। आओ सदन में आओ, चर्चा करो, सरकार के माध्यम से इसका जरूर सवाल जो भी है उसका समाधान देने के लिए सरकार तैयार है।
Series of reforms to ensure that future generations will never face issues with respect to fairness and integrity of examination system. The Honorable Prime Minister has also announced setting up of fast-track courts to stringently punish those who will be involved in paper leakages. Series of steps have already been taken to ensure that there will be no leakages of examination by moving to computer-based systems, by more technology usage, and making the whole examination proof integrity and foolproof. But more needs to be done, and for that a constructive debate in Parliament is extremely important. We have been repeatedly communicating that we are ready for a thorough debate on the examination system reforms, on larger education system reforms in Parliament. This issue is not BJP versus Congress. This is not between Congress versus Aam Aadmi Party. This issue of students is an issue that is going to decide the future of this country. And as responsible parliamentarians, we must use the forum of Parliament to discuss and give voice to the genuine concerns of the students. We have been requesting the opposition to allow the Parliament to function and have a thorough debate, not just on one particular examination, but on the whole education sector as a whole. How can we make examinations foolproof? How can we make our education system even more robust so that our young people get the education system that they deserve? I hope that the opposition allows for this constructive debate to take place as soon as possible. The government is willing to listen to not just the students but all stakeholders who want to contribute to making a root and branch reform of education system in the country possible. Thank you.